Hey going guys, welcome back to another video. On this one, I'll be teaching you all how I set up my spray gun in order to paint candy apple red. Now it's very straightforward. I'll be painting 4 coats of the candy apple red over the top of a silver metallic. Now with that said guys, let's jump into this tutorial right now. Hey going guys, welcome back to another video. I know you would have seen the intro. I thought I'd say g'day again, and I guess to start this video off I should start with what a candy actually is. So basically a candy is a dye, which means it has no pigment like traditional colors or base coats do. So if I was to compare it to something, I'd say it's very similar to concentrated cordial or food coloring. It's very transparent, and to get a dark tone of the candy, you must apply 3 to 4 coats over a metallic or metal flake. And that's one real great thing about candies, is that they're transparent, so you can reveal metal flake and metallics underneath. So yeah, on this guard here, I've just finished using wax and grease remover. I've got my primer surfacer in the gun, just giving it a quick tack cloth, making sure that it is going to be nice and clean and dust free for this video. So I'll put down 2 coats of this primer surfacer over the guard. There was a couple of little rub throughs that you can see on the edges. This guard has been painted quite a few times in other videos, but yeah, so I'll throw one down, and I'll start laying down my silver flare silver metallic. Alright, just checking that PSI, 17.5 PSI there on the Welcome Digital Reg. Now I'll start applying this silver flare metallic base coat. I applied 3 coats with a 50% overlap. Now in regarding my gun setup, this is a 1.2, and I've wound my fluid out 3.5 turns, my fan's all the way open, and I'm spraying it roughly 6 to 8 inches away from the panel. Now I did apply 3 coats on this guard, but I didn't show everything, just to keep this video much shorter. So you'll see the angle of this guard, it is up on an angle. Now sometimes I do that because of the metallic particles. Sometimes it's easier to see if there's any like model on the surface. We've just had our lights changed in the booth, and the booth's not as bright as it used to be, so it's a good idea to do that, just to see if, yeah, as I said, it's got any like model there. So I'm just doing my final drop coat, just to even out all the metallics, make it sparkle a little bit better and more, ready for this candy. Now, once again, as you would have seen on one of my other videos, I've done a bit of a guide on overlaps. Now, each piece of tape here is representing a coat and the 75% overlap, which you must apply when painting candy colors. Now, the reason why there's a 75% overlap is because candies are so transparent. By doing a 75% overlap, you'll get better coverage, and the color will look way better. So if you were to paint with a 50% overlap, you'll get what they call mottle in the candy, and it won't have a real strong tone of that candy. So to keep the mottle down, to get nice even candy, a 75% overlap is required. So I'm just double checking my fluid here, 3.5 turns out, and yeah, I'm spraying it 18 psi. So I'll just do a quick little couple of sprays here to show you what I mean with the 75% overlap. So you can see there's not much overlap whatsoever there. So we'll do this on the guard now. If you watch the overlap, it's 75%. Anyway guys, I'm going to roll on with some tunes. I'll let you guys sit back and relax. We'll finish painting this guard. Now I did actually choose to use the Diamond High Solid Clear Coat. Now it's very rare that I use the Diamond Clear. It's one of those things, I like the custom clear, but every now and then I pull the Diamond out to give it a crack, because it's always good to keep the skill level up, I guess, and that's what I use on this guard. So enjoy.